Day 8 of NEET protest as students fight for justice. Anger continues to mount over the alleged rank inflation in the 2024 NEET exam. The Delhi High Court has refused to stay counselling for admissions to medical colleges over alleged paper leak and irregularities. The National Testing Agency informed the High Court it would move the Supreme Court to transfer all petitions filed against the NEET results announced on June 4.
Collectively, the Delhi High Court today said that majorly there are three issues that have been highlighted. The first is the issue of compensatory marks that have been awarded. We want to know the basis of the compensatory marks, and they have been awarded to 1,563 students in this case. So we want to know the basis of the compensatory marks, and we want to know whether that was done in an undiscriminatory fashion or no. That is issue one. Issue two was whether or not paper leaks have happened. And issue 3 was that in the cases where questions were wrongly printed by the NTA, then have all children who were given those questions, have they been treated in a non-discriminatory fashion? And we are alleging that there is discrimination.
Amid the controversy, the NTA released a results FAQs responding to charges levelled against it. The NTA claims the higher cutoff was due to better overall performance of students. The agency refuted the charge of several toppers from one centre, saying top 100 candidates were from 89 centres in 55 cities. The Delhi High Court has granted time to the National Testing Agency to file its reply and listed the matter for hearing on July 5th.